What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're whipping up these Bulgogi marinated cheesesteaks. And first things first, let's start with the marinade. Grab some thin sliced steak and hit it with soy sauce, brown sugar, mirin, rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, minced ginger, and minced garlic. And don't worry, I'll have all the specific ingredients listed below in the description. Give it all a good mix, then let it marinate in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. Next, get that griddle nice and hot, then melt some butter. And to start, we're going to throw on some sliced onions. I'm just going to use salt and pepper for the seasoning and let them get cooked through because we'll add them to the steak later. Once the onions are about done, throw some oil down on the other side of the griddle. Make sure it's nice and hot and then spread it around. Then throw down that steak and get it nice and separated. And while that's cooking, please take this time to subscribe to the channel. I would love to continue to create and share these delicious recipes with you. And once that steak is cooked, slide those onions right over and get them mixed in. Next, throw on a few slices of provolone cheese, and while that starts to melt, grab a hoagie roll and cut it open. Throw it on the griddle to get it nice and toasted. And then once that cheese has begun to melt, you can start to top it up and get it mixed in. And this is a cheesesteak, so why not add some more cheese? I'll add a couple more slices of provolone, and then we'll flip this so the cheese touches the grill to get it nice and melted. Flip it back over and then check out how good that looks. For assembly, I'm going to start with some Sriracha Mayo, give it a nice drizzle, and then add that steak and cheese. Add some more Sriracha Mayo, a little green onion, and then finish it with some black sesame seeds. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and now all that's left is to dig in. Cheers.